Whomsoever craving overpowers, his grief proliferates like Birina grass after rain. Dhammapad 335. If someone is overcome by craving, which is described as lowly and poisonous, his sorrows grows as swiftly and profusely as Birina grass after being exposed to repeated rains. Whomsoever in the world this wretched, clinging, craving roads for such a one, do sorrows grow as grass well soaked with rain. Dhammapad 335. Yong esa sohote jammi tanha loke bisattika sokatasya pabadhanti abhibaddhang wa viranang. Dhammapad 335.